2018 Kia Soul cabin air filter replacement. What you want to do is come down here, and then there's a little handle right here, and it says air filter. You just want to pull this and then pull it down like that. It can be kind of stubborn. And if you look in there, there is your cabin filter door. And what you want to do, there's these tabs on the bottom here. Just gonna pull them down. Careful not to break them. Oh, actually, my bad. You don't want to push those down. You're gonna squeeze them. There's a little tab right here that you put your thumb on, and then you take your finger and you push this up, and then grab the tab, and you can just pull this out like that. Do it for each side, and then there's our filter. Go ahead and just kind of get it out. Sometimes this could be a little tight in there. All right, pull that out. Now, I wonder if there is, yeah, right here. So on this one, it looks like the airflow is pointing up, and we're gonna put it in here with the arrow pointing up. Usually they point down, but I couldn't see the blower motor on the bottom because it points towards the blower motor pretty much. So I'm just gonna put it in because that's how it came out. And then we'll put this on. These tabs go up top first. Let's go ahead and get those in. Put that in. And then this will go in. Just like how we took it out, just pop it back in place. And then that's it, guys. Make sure everything's clipped in. Please like, sub, comment, and I'll see you next video.